Hey guys, wanna know how to get countdown bar in MetaTrader 5? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first off, simply open up your MetaTrader application right here. And once you've done that, make sure you are on the charts tab as well. Now, once you're on the charts tab, click anywhere on the charts. And then hit towards this adjust icon right here. Now once you're done, just scroll down and find countdown to bar close. Now if it's disabled, just simply enable it just like this. Clicking on the checkbox and the checkbox will appear blue. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Now your countdown bar has been successfully added. As you can see right here as well. I hope this video helped. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.